see this aldehyde functional group. So the carbon of the aldehyde functional group is not the part of the ring. So this aldehyde functional group is attached to this ring, and as it is not the part of the ring, so it should not be given any numbering. So in such case, we should not use secondary suffix "al" for aldehyde group. Then we have to use carbaldehyde as a secondary suffix name for aldehyde group. So now the name here known means root word. N means it is a primary suffix, and this one will become the, what is the secondary suffix? Carbaldehyde. The secondary suffix is name as carbaldehyde. So what is this one? Secondary suffix. Secondary suffix is carbaldehyde. And as it is a bicyclic system, so here we have to write bicyclo and in the bracket. So how many carbons are there? So here 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. Descending order we have to write here 3 carbon, and in this link 0 carbon. So this is the name of the compound. So this entire thing is primary prefix. So like this, when functional group is present, so we have to give here actually we have to use 3 nonane 3 hyphen nonane hyphen 3 hyphen carbaldehyde is the name of the compound. So like this we have to give numbering and naming. So what is the name of this compound? What is the name of this compound? What is the name of this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose if I give numbering, so again it is 6, 7, 8. Okay, so in this direction if I give, it will give. So this in this direction we have to give numbering. Okay, so remember that the direction of numbering in the larger ring also should be given. So here we should not give numbering in this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you give numbering in outer numbering, so then the 8th carbon will get a double bond. So if you give numbering in the in the inner fashion, so your 7th carbon will get a double bond. So this numbering is wrong numbering. So this is the wrong numbering, because the multiple the carbon having multiple bonds should get a lowest possible number. So now the name of this compound will be like this: bicyclo 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 0. Okay. What is how many carbons are there altogether? 9 atoms. So nonane. So this is the name of the compound. Bicyclo 4, 3, 0 nonane is the name of the compound. Nonane actually on 7th carbon. So non, it is not N. It is not N. So double bond is there, hence it is, we have to write in. So on which carbon? On 7th carbon, so there is double bond. So in. So this is the name of the compound. This is the name of the compound. So like this, the naming should be given for fused rings. Like this. What is the name of this compound? Suppose if it is like this. What is the name of this compound? See, remember that this is one link. So these two are bridgehead carbons. So now this is one link. This is another link, and this is the other link. So how many links are there altogether? There are 3 links. Okay, so I'm removing this dotted lines, so to avoid confusion. So right. So now this is the compound. So what is the name of the compound? Altogether count how many carbons are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 7. So it is heptane. And it is, here 3 carbons will become the part of this ring and even this ring also. So this carbon will become the part of this ring as well as this ring. Sorry, look here, sorry. So this is not the linker. So it will be like this. I am redrawing this one. So this is one link, this is another link, this is another link. Okay. So how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbons are there. Heptane. So this link contains 2 carbons, and even this link also contains 2 carbons, but this link contains only 1 carbon. So bicyclo 2 comma 2 comma 1. We may use dots also. Like this. So this is the name of the compound. What is the name of this compound? This is one bridgehead carbon, this is another bridgehead carbon. This is another bridgehead carbon. So now these two bridgehead carbons are linked in this way. This is another link. So what is the name of this compound? Again, how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 1. So I'll start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hence it is known in bicyclo in the bracket. So this is the larger link. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons are there. This contains 2 carbon link, 4 dot 2 dot, and this is 1 carbon link. So this is the name of the compound. Suppose if functional group is like there on this NH2, amine functional group is there, then what will be the name of this compound now? So here amine group, where that amine group is present on the 9th carbon. So now we have to give numbering. So remember, so we have to, for bicyclic compounds, we have to start numbering from bridged carbon. So this is first carbon, second carbon, third, fourth, fifth, and the larger link should start from a bridged carbon and end with bridged carbon. So now this will become the 7th, this will become the 8th, and this will become the 9th carbon. So on 9th carbon there is functional group. So no name 9 amine, 9 amine. So for amine, for NH2 functional group, amine is the secondary suffix. Secondary suffix. An is the primary suffix. Non means 9. Hence it is the root word. And this is what? This is primary prefix. So this is the name of the compound. What is the name of this compound? So these two are bridgehead carbons. So here oxygen is present. Oxygen is present. So what is the name of this compound? So if any oxygen, if any carbon in the ring is replaced by oxygen, then we have to use oxa. Oxa. So what is a larger chain, larger link? So this is 1, 2, 3 member link. This is only 2 member link, and this is 1 member link. So this is the larger link. So we have to give numbering. So always remember that the bridged carbon gets number 1. So don't start from here, because substitution. So carbon is substituted by oxygen. So here we have to give numbering to the substituent. The lowest possible number should be given to the substituent. So this will be the first carbon, the first number 1, and this will get number 2, and third, fourth, okay, fifth, now sixth one, seventh one, and this will be the 8th one. Okay, so numbering is given like this. Then we have to write the name of this compound. Altogether there are 8 positions. So actually this oxygen is replaced, that carbon is replaced by oxygen. Though it is not carbon, still we have to count this, we have to treat it as carbon, and we have to give numbering, and finally we have to mention oxa. Okay, so I will give name of this compound like this. So it is octane. Why it is octane? Because 1 to 8 members are there. So though one of the carbon is replaced by oxygen also, still it is treated as octane, but it is octane only, but 2-oxaoctane. 2-oxaoctane. Why 2-oxaoctane? It is octane only, but second position, or else second number, it is replaced by oxygen. Hence 2-oxaoctane. So actually we are, as it is bicyclo compound, we have to write the bicyclo also prefix. Bicyclo, and descending order. So how many? 1, 2, 3. 3 member link. Okay, and 2 member link. Sorry, 2 member link and 1 member link. 3.2.1. Bicyclo 3.2.1. But here it is not octane. Which octane it is? Oxaoctane. 2-oxaoctane. Okay, 2-oxaoctane. So because here there is a substitution. So that substitution we have to written as a secondary prefix, and this is what this is primary prefix, and this is root word, and this is primary suffix. So this is the name of the compound. So in this way the name of this compound will be. There are another type of compounds also known as a tricyclic compounds. We will learn tricyclic compounds, nomenclature of tricyclic compounds. Nomenclature of tricyclic compounds. For example, there are there is a bicyclic compound like this. There is a bicyclic compound like this. That means here two carbon atoms are shared. So how many links are there? One link, second link, and this is the third link. So in tricyclic compounds there are four links or else four bridges. Link is also called as bridge. There are four bridges. So these are the primary bridges. Now this is a secondary bridge. The secondary bridge will not the carbons of secondary bridge are not connected to this one. Here this bridge head. Okay, so this is secondary link or else a secondary bridge. So these are primary bridges because they are directly connected to the bridgehead carbons. So this link is directly connected to bridgehead carbon, and this link is directly connected to bridgehead carbon, and even this link is directly connected to bridgehead carbons. Hence they are said to be primary bridges or else primary links. But this is secondary bridge because here this bridge or else this link is not connected to the bridgehead carbons. So in tricyclic compound there are four links. Out of four links, one link will be secondary bridge. Three primary bridges plus one secondary bridge. So like this, in tricyclic compounds there will be one secondary bridge. Then how to write the name of these compounds? The name of the compounds is written just like how we write the name of the name for bicyclic compounds. In the same way, even for tricyclic compounds also the name is given. But here we have to use the tricyclo as a prefix. Okay. Then how to give numbering? Always numbering should start from the bridgehead carbon only. So this, for example, this first carbon, this second carbon, this third carbon. Okay, and this will become the fourth carbon. This will become the fifth carbon. This will become the sixth carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here this bridge. Here this bridge is not having any link. Okay, so any linked carbon. Suppose if it is like this. Suppose if it is like this. So these two are bridgehead carbons. Okay, and this is what secondary bridge. This is primary bridge. This is also primary